Hey, welcome back. Today, we're going to be looking at a new keycap set from Matrix keyboards. These are their new cotton candy pudding keycaps that retail for $45. Straight out of the box, you're going to get a set of 104 keys and a keycap puller. These are PBT double shot keycaps, which means they're going to be shine resistant and they're also going to be extremely durable. Matrix really knocked it out the park with these keycaps. I mean, these are some of the best looking keycaps that I've ever seen. It was hard to not get a good angle on these. I really love how vibrant the RGB is on these keycaps, not only on the pudding sides, but also on the top of the keycaps through the legends. I mean, these things are bright, especially if you have a white backplate. These things on a Ducky or a Matrix board, those things are gonna shine like diamonds. And I really like the texture and like the feel of the top of the keys. These things are smooth, really smooth. I've been using these keycaps for about 2 weeks now, and I haven't had any problems with the durability of the keycap or any smudging on the top of the legend or anything. If you're switching from a standard set of ABS keycaps, you're really gonna enjoy the smoothness and the build quality of these keys. These keycaps are really gonna let you RGB fiends flex off your keyboard. Alright, I think we've gotten a good look at these keys. Now, it's time for a sound test. Overall, I think it's a great keycap set, especially if you're trying to add another colorway to your keyboard. And if you have any pink, blue, or white peripherals to go with this keycap set, your setup's gonna look sick. Speaking of which, Matrix is throwing in a free pink, blue, or black mouse pad with any order right now, so act fast. If you made it this far in the video, give it a like, drop in the comments what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next one.